injunction. So, what is that Mareva injunction actually? So, this interim injunction prevents the defendant from disposing of the assets until a final judgment. So, in this Mareva injunction, what happens that sometimes what happens if the case is initiated, destruction of the proofs, that is one solution. So, here what happens if Mareva injunction is there, it is again interim injunction. So, defendant cannot dispose of the assets. So, until that final judgment. So, the proof that particular that product which is counterfeit product, or it may be like a any of the activity of infringement activity is done in any of the form. So, the product will be like a till that final judgment there will be no disposal of that. So, that is very important. Okay. So, it ensures that sufficient funds or assets are available to satisfy any potential judgment in favor. So,